Hey, it's Joel, and look, we find ourselves in a very particular sort of situation where we have some fan mail and we have a camera, and I think it's time we open this fan mail on today's Fan Mail Friday. I could throw out a title from that, right? Yeah. Welcome to another edition of Fan Mail Friday. Over here we have some letters and some good hard cash that we need to get over to this box. So why don't we get started with the cash itself? This is all from the East Coast Rep Rap Festival. I want you to look at that. Look at that spread there. I didn't go to a casino. I didn't bet it all on red or black or put it all on the one-armed bandit. I kept it, and I kept it safe, and now it's ready to be put into the box. We should probably find out how much is here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 180 US dollars. And this is amazing because it's from people who just cared. They stopped me when I was at the East Coast Rep Rap Festival and said they wanted to give me money for Seattle Children's Hospital. That's what this is all for. So thank you to all of you who did that. Perfect. Next up is this envelope here. And in fact, I'm just realizing these are all envelopes from the East Coast Rep Rap Festival. For your charity, thanks for all that you do. And inside we have a $20 bill. And this is from Mike. NLTMW, never let the machines win. Let's see, there's a phone number. I should probably cover that up. But there's never let the machines win. If you ever see something bright orange and it's not Prusa and it's not Bob from I Like to Make Stuff, it's probably Mike and his Never Let the Machines Win Army. But $20, 20 US dollars. And I think he's Canadian, so he probably had to save up for this a long time, eh? Next, we have this envelope, and it has my name on it, Joel Telling. That's me. It's a thick envelope, and it's scotch taped on two sides. This means that they were very serious about this envelope making the journey. And inside we have, first of all, we have a maker coin. I want you to see this one. Look at that. That is, it is a very iridescent blue, and I'm a big fan of blue. We also have 20 US dollars. And a letter. Ooh, a letter. Dear Mr. Telling. It sounds so official when it says Mr. Telling. Hello, my name is Nico. If you're reading this, I at least saw you at the East Coast Rep Rap Festival and gave this to you. I'm 14 years old. Around 3 or 4 years ago, I saw a video about a cosplay sword that had been 3D printed, so I started researching more and more about this technology. That's when I came across, if I remember correctly, what was the first video I ever saw of yours? It was titled 3D Printing 101, What is a Wipe Wall or Ooze Shield? I remember that episode. I filmed it in my garage and I used my Raise 3D N2 Plus, and some people said I did a very poor job of explaining it, so I hope you took some positivity from it. After seeing your videos and others, I finally made the decision to get all the money out of my wallet and buy an ANET A8, otherwise known as a complex fire starting kit. Okay, that's funny. I was unstoppable. I was printing everything I could find on Thingiverse, and my mother began to believe that my hobby was more than a waste of money. That's good, Mom. That was then, and now I have a Prusa i3 Mark III that is fulfilling all of my 3D printing needs. I've printed everything from keychains to Pickle Ricks. Pickle Rick! My family always gets excited to see the new thing that I've printed and brought to the family gathering, and my friends enjoy the lithophanes that I make out of ridiculous pictures of them. You sound like a really kind and fun individual. I'm glad we met. So I guess this is just a very roundabout way of saying thank you. Thank you for inspiring me and so many others to get into this wonderful hobby that empowers me to make whatever I want, whenever I want. I know that it's always a joy to see one of your videos in my notifications, and I hope that you don't ever stop making videos. I wish you all the best. Nico. P.S. Enclosed, you should find a maker coin of mine and a $20 bill, both of which I did find enclosed. And thank you for this wonderful note. God, that's awesome. Good maker coin, too. I'm going to guess this was probably printed on your Prusa and not the ANET A8, but thank you. Thank you for this. This will go directly to the kids, but first, into the box. 3D printing nerd, given at ERRF event. So another ERRF. I was right. We were right when we were talking about this being an ERRF thing. Ooh, inside yellow lined paper. Okay. Oh, a self-address stamped envelope from a Roland. Oh my goodness. Inside we have, holy crap! A 50. Look at that. Can you see that?
Wow.
That's a $50 bill right there.
That's awesome.
Jeez. All right. Cheese and potatoes. Roland Erickson of Anchor Set Properties. Okay, I think that's a business card. Well, let's get to this letter. Hey, Joel, I just wanted you to know that you're doing a great job with your videos. We talk about each video when released in class. Oh, at the Hartford Community College in Bel Air. That's great. I hope you're able to meet with our professor, David Antol. Our class has everyone from high school kids to a few people who are retired. I may have, if I did, I don't remember, but I hope it happened. I have included a small donation for the Seattle Children's Hospital. I think it is great that you are supporting the children with your channels. A fan in person who is learning from your channel, Roland Erickson. Wow. Big thanks for the yellow paper with the handwritten note. That's pretty awesome. I haven't seen that in a while. And obviously, self-addressed stamped envelope, $50 US. It means we need to get down to business. First things first. Roland. My goodness, $50 for the kids. That's beyond kind of you. And I hope one day someone writes a hardbound book about your adventures, because I would probably read that, even though I don't read books. I've got these for you because, Roland, you deserve some stickers. Finally, last but certainly not least, is this large envelope with my name on it, Joel Telling, and I have an idea of what's in here. Because I think Chris P, MC Chris P, the guy with the mustache.
Oh.
Yeah, Chris. I think this is from him, and it sure is. That's right. So Adrian Boyer, and it's signed. It's signed by Adrian Boyer right there. So what Chris did is made these for certain people, and then had Adrian sign them, and I think it turned out great. I mean, that's a great print. If you look at that, that is a. I'm looking at it in the monitor. That is a great print, and it's signed by Adrian Boyer right there. You may remember that we were able to talk to Adrian Boyer and have a really nice conversation with him during the East Coast Rep Festival, and that episode is out. If you haven't seen it, I highly suggest you watch it, or it actually, as an audio-only podcast, it works. Just put it on in the background while you're exercising or eating a bowl of oats, or both. I don't know. But anyway, thanks for this, Chris. This is really cool, and I'll keep this on my one of my walls around here somewhere. Thanks again for tuning into Fan Mail Friday. It's really, really awesome having it back on the channel. And of course, if you want to send anything in, by no means is it ever required, but if you'd like to do so, the address where I can receive fan mail things is in the description of every video here on the channel. Beyond all that, don't forget to hug each other more, because I love you all. As always, high five. My eyes got dry there.